What's up, YouTube? In today's video, welcome to don't press the button, face the danger. So let me actually lower this volume. There you go, so y'all can hear me. Okay, let's click play. Okay. So they got this mini game. So for those of you who don't know what don't press the button is, basically you're in like this island something, and then if you press the button, like something like, let's just say natural disaster happens, like something happens every time you push the button. Like you could push the button, a mini game pop up. You could push the button, a meme pop up. I don't know. What's this one? Deliver the pizza to the house that have the same color as your pizza box. So we got pink. Pink is right here. You guys see, you get 10 coins. So when you have these coins, what you do, you go to your shop, you buy things, I don't know, a carrot, slingshot. I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy this fake bomb. It's a fake bomb? I thought it was real. Whoa, watch out for the builders. Whoa! Can I go under? Dang. She died. Okay. Oh, that's the bomb. Is it gonna explode? Okay, I guess not. It ain't even light. Do like a fake room or something. That's lame. I don't need this. Alright. Actually, I do. I need to prank people with this. Alright. What the freak is that? Watch out for the builders again. Bro, what are these duckies? Where do you get these from? Let me go to shop. Whoa. A tsunami is coming. Climb. Bro, I have a speed coil. What am I doing? I literally have a speed coil. Aim this right. Aim it right. Jump up. Wait, what? Okay. Go up. Keep going up. Okay, we made it, right? Woo! Just in time too. Oh heck no. Alright. I got a wand. Super fry. Whoa. Oh no. Speed coil. I'm running. Whoa, watch out for these bombs. They coming from up? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna prank somebody. Hey guys, watch out! Oh my gosh, it's a bomb! Run! She's not even running at this point. Look, she almost died too. And what is this? This white thing. Delivered. I got pink again. Bro, buddy, can you read, bro? Read. It says deliver the pizza that has the same color as your pizza box. It's that simple. You know what, where is he at? Ah, there you are. Come here real quick. Hey. This is what, bro.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Bro. Bro, stop spamming it. Bro, stop. Go invisible. I'm invisible. Y'all can see me. Wait. Oh, that's the bomb. Somebody, can you please press the button? Thank you. The cake is alive. Okay. Hey. Dun, 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 dun. We got a little bit of obby. Let me go and shift lock real quick. Bro, it's my milk. Yes, I got the milk. Haha. Alright. What are you gonna make? A cake? Hey, can y'all move? Dang. I thought they said the cake was alive. Alright. Let me eat it then. A mystery lever. No, do not pull that. Nope. I'm not risking it. Nope. Do not pull anything. Nope. I don't trust this game. I don't trust this game.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Yeah, we get it. Next. Bro, presto. I hate when they do that. Zombies are... Oh, we gotta kill the zombies? Defeat the monsters and... Oh, so this is like tower defense. Alright. Watch out. I got you. Oh my gosh. Alright, get this coin though. Oof. Can I... Thank you? What? Okay. Okay, we're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Don't let him touch her. Don't let him touch... Speaking of, are you the one who's spawning these zombies? Because, like, you're a witch. I mean, you have the ability to. Okay. Cool. We got a special... She give us that? Drink it. Wait, let me see. What? Drink it. Can I drink it? Thank you. Thank you. Zombies are ruining the city. Run from them. Okay. So I'm a zombie. Okay. What's
hey,
next?
Vsauce, Michael here.
Hey, I didn't see him there. That's actually him. Bro, this again, bro? Skip. Can I skip? Bro, I literally... Bro. This is gonna take 12 years, bro. Alright, you defeat them. This is our surprise. A freaking potion. Drink it. What does it do? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, it actually does something. Makes you extra fast. Look, I'm fast. Alright. Press the button. Hurry up. Quick, get on the platform. This platform? Wait, what? What platform? Oh. Was that lava? Quick, get in the hole. Easy. Easy. Pause. Yes, sir. Easy. Hey. You're not fast enough. Damn it. So close. Oh, y'all remember this? When I first uploaded this, bro? The video got a ton of views. Hey. I'm gonna be the first place. First place. Come on. Why is she in front of me? Can you move? Bro, my arm's in the way. What the freak is happening? Bro, come back here. Bro, go through the hole. Pause. Thank you. 10 coins. Look at that. Bro, how is she first? I'm second. Then he's third place. Okay. Cool. Alright. So I guess we can fly around now. Alright. This is cool though. Okay. Alright, press the button. Alright. What is that? Oh, get ready to enjoy. Oh, yeah, I know this one. This one's crazy. Wait, how do I get a bomb in my back? Survive for 30 seconds? I don't know if I can. Okay. You cannot jump. That's what makes it harder. I'm gonna cut you off. Cut her off. Oh, bro, come on. Dang it. Oh my gosh, bro. Can I press the button? Yes, I press it. Y'all suck. Wait, escape the building. Wait, the building is burning? Escape. Okay, so the building is on fire, I guess. We gotta find a way out. Where y'all going? Whoa, whoa. A little bit. Wait, what? I'm still stuck? Wait, which way do I go? Oh, that's the building? Oh, the building's actually burning. Oh, no. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't think that's... I'm gonna try to play for 20 minutes. It's time for a trivia question. In what year Don't Press the Button was created? 2019? Oh, that's actually correct. You got 10 coins. Cool. But how did I have a bomb in my back? Oh, I know this. Kadabra. Now I'm gonna stop. Alright. So, what's this one? Hey, I like this one. What the freak is happening to my game? I died. I was the first person who died. Now I just gotta sit here and watch this. Oh. Alright, so who won? These two people won. That's not fair, bro. Come on. Hey. Hey. Oh, hot potato. Hot potato. I have it. Yes, she has it. She had hot potato. Hot potato. Hot potato. Hey. Oh, she just died. Hey. Oh my gosh. Sheesh.